I chose controlled environmental agriculture because it's a hands-on plant experience, and that's kind of what I was more looking for, was that very much plant aspect in working with the plants themselves in all of their glory. I love plants so much. When you actually have the hands-on experience to trim those plants yourself, or to mess with that system yourself, troubleshoot that system and know where those leaks, how to fix those leaks, it sticks with you better, and I definitely enjoy that aspect of it. It's also just very fun working the systems and just growing the plants, rather than just learning that, oh, I can grow these in an indoor system. Well, how do you grow them in a system?
No other schools really, I think there's like maybe one other school in the country that has this program as a bachelor's degree. The way that this program is set up really helps you feel like you can be successful in a commercial grow facility. Just being in the lab and having those experiences of troubleshooting all these different systems is really helpful. There's just so many variables to indoor ag that a textbook really can't teach you completely. You have to have that like hands-on experience in the lab, working with the plants and working with the systems themselves.
There's HVAC classes and there's electrical classes. It's very much like a trades type of plant program, and I think I really liked that aspect of it. Learning how to grow in different substrates, such as like rock wool, perlite, leca, or lava rock. So many different kinds of soilless substrates. And we were learning a lot about how to grow in them, what to grow in what systems, what works best for what systems, and also learning how to troubleshoot such systems. So this is a very hands-on program, which I have very much been enjoying. Like, if there is a nutrient deficiency, how do I balance that nutrient deficiency? If it's not getting enough water, how do I remedy that? If oh no, I have fungus gnats, how do I get rid of those?
Growing plants is so much more technical than you actually think it is. So it really like sets you up for working in a grow facility and working with a group as a team. I feel like there's a lot of opportunities in this career to help create a more sustainable way to feed our planet. So that's kind of why I came to it, is I really wanted to help feed the planet in a more sustainable way.